Hello guys! We are going to clean our gold jewelry. Yung ilalim ng pencil ring natin medyo madumi na. Hindi na po siya kintabin. At kailangan na po siyang linisin. Pero hindi po abot ng brush. Kailangan yung super tiny brush. But we are using the Amcon Ultrasonic Cleaner. This is our cleaner guys for eyeglasses na sobrang dumi, but this time we use this for cleaning our gold jewelry. Parang nagpa-vibrate siya sa ilalim. I was trying to clean this with a toothbrush pero parang ayoko, baka magasgas, so wag na lang, hintayin na lang natin matapos yung oras. 280 is I believe number of minutes. So, fast forward na natin. Ayan, sobrang kintab na guys. Yung ilalim, kitang-kita na yung kintab. Tignan natin, malapitan. Look. Ayan, kitang-kita na. Ayan. Good luck guys sa cleaning nyo.